Welcome back to the Frugal Gardener. This is a 1-minute special edition update from the Frugal Gardener's Chopped Inspired Garden. I have 3 pots here because today is transplant day. Up until now, I have been growing the Graffiti Eggplant in starter cups, and they're pretty much outgrown those cups. They need room to spread and grow out. So this soil here, I've added, it's been amended with coffee grounds, a little bit of Epsom salt, and I've added this fruit and citrus to it, about ½ cup for the larger pots and ¼ cup for the small pots. And you're probably curious about these indentures. These are about 4 inches deep, and the reason for that is because I'm going to use this earthworm casting soil enrichment, also organic. So that's going to help kickstart these once they get planted. And that's it for today's update. We'll keep you guys posted on a weekly basis. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your day.